Yeah, I get Mohandas Pai. You know, we thought there would be a rethink, but there's no rethink. In fact, I'm finding in this fight, positions being hardened by the corporators. What is your advice to Mr. Sampath Raj and V. Anand tonight, and to the entire political class, all the corporators and the MLAs who have also been given free tickets, I'm told, in Bengaluru?
See, my advice is the very respectable members of society who have been elected by the people of Bangalore and the state to represent them in the council and in the legislature. They must uphold their dignity and not lower their dignity by asking for passes. If they get passes, they must take it with grace and use it, and not threaten people that they will use their power to impose taxes or to penalize them because they don't kowtow to them. They must be dignified, they must behave as our representatives and be humble about it. I find a sense of arrogance amongst representatives, as was seen in the Anna debate in Parliament, that they are above the law, that the whole country belongs to them, and we are all slaves who have to listen to them and they can do what they want. And this kind of an attitude pervades among many people, because that is the source of a feudal attitude which says, once you elect to the council, you can do what you want. And Adam, let me tell you many of the problems that Bangalore faces. Garbage has been outsourced to a group of garbage collectors for whom there is no law. Bangalore's garbage is not being cleared. So what is happening in KC is happening all over Bangalore. Bangalore garbage is not cleared, and everybody knows why it is happening. So I think this is all symbiotic of what has happened. My advice is, please, you are a representative, we have voted for you. Please don't betray our trust. Please uphold the dignity of your office, and please uphold our dignity by not asking for passes and freebies.
So you are a public servant, Sampath Raj. Will you reconsider, please, tonight, third night in a row? I'm asking you, criminal misconduct by a public servant, Mr. Sampath Raj.
It is not reconsideration, Mr. Arnab. It is no question of reconsideration.
Why?
We told you that day itself we don't want free passes.
No, then pick up the garbage, stop demanding more money.
I would like to tell Mr. Pai, we definitely hold our dignity, and we will not stoop to such a low level of making Bangalore city dirty and not pick up garbage from.
Forget the garbage. Will you tonight give up the demand for free passes?
It is an obligatory duty. It is our. Of course, we are not asking. It is far from truth that we are demanding free passes. We don't want it. We assure you once again. And I told you.
What happens to the garbage that's there today?
When Yuvraj comes, we'll pay ticket.
There are 6 more matches in Bangalore. How much more garbage will you not pick up? I mean, Harish Bijur is responding. Harish, yes.
Well, Arnab, this entire issue, the richer you are, the poorer you are. What do I mean by that? I simply mean to say that, it's not about affordability. Every one of our corporators, I'm sure, most of them can afford tickets. But it's not that. It's a question of saying, when a freebie comes, just take it. Take it with both hands. Unfortunately, we need to stop that.
Change
the only redemption is, if tickets are offered by KSEA, now, even if 250 tickets are offered, I do believe our corporators must regain their respect and say, we will not accept a single ticket free. And we will do everything that needs to be done. I think that's the only redemption for the corporation.
Yeah, don't accept, but let's have a voluntary disclosure scheme, right? Vani, what do you think? A voluntary disclosure scheme. I took a free pass, I disclose it, I give it back. We start a new system of...
Yes.
Or I send my free passes to an orphanage, or to somebody who would really want to go, who cannot afford it. And by the way, I just got some facts on the salary hike that corporators have asked for themselves. Just 1 week back, I'm going to reveal that in 2 minutes after Vani. Yes. Vani, what do you think?
Yeah, I just feel that even if they were offered free passes, on the contrary, they should either say give it to people who really can't afford to buy it, who are real cricket lovers, or give it to people who won't be able to go to such a match and won't get such an opportunity, and give it rather than to accept it as a freebie, for the simple reason that, I'm sure every one of them can afford it, and they will, on the contrary, project a better image if they were to return those free passes if somebody were to offer it to them.
Is it true that on the 29th of March,
why don't KSA offer these 8,000 tickets to the charity homes?
Is it true that on the 29th of March there was a resolution passed to increase the honorarium of all the members, and according to that resolution, corporators, their individual salary was to go up by 350%?
Yeah.
Yes. Is it true?
350%? About 200%.
About 200% salary hike.
It has not been. Yeah.
It's
from
proposed.
6,000.
So you want a 200% salary
From
hike
6,000.
and you want a
from
free
6,000 to
IPL pass.
18,000.
And then you'll say it's free service.
No, we don't want IPL pass.
Just 1 minute, sir.
We don't
just
want
1 minute.
free IPL
See,
passes,
whatever
Mr.
ticket
Arnab,
we
we
take from
assure
you.
you.
See, okay, you give us a few passes. But I have not gone to the match. Some of my people, just ask for
Give it up, sir. Give
who
it
are
up.
not afford to buy.
Give it up, sir.
Give the passes to those people.
Yeah, give
It's
it up,
not
sir.
necessary that the corporate bosses
Give it up, sir. The people of Bengaluru and people of the country will bless you. Give it up.
See, many of the corporators don't go there,
Doesn't
Because
matter,
they are
sir.
afford
Give
to
it
buy
up.
the tickets.
End the
But
free
we
pass
just give
culture.
it out to the people who don't afford to buy the
Mohandas
tickets,
Pai, end the free
People
pass
come
culture.
to us,
Last 2 minutes
because
of the
we are
debate.
public
Mohandas Pai.
representatives. No, just 1 second, one second, sir. Sir, we are the public representatives. People come to us, they ask for some tickets. See, it's the people who don't
Then you should tell them.
afford to buy, they come to us.
Sir, you
Please
should
give
tell
some
them.
tickets,
Sir,
So
you
that-
should tell them. When they come to you and ask you for a free pass, you should tell
Mr.
them. I'll
Sampath,
tell you what you
Mr.
should tell them.
Sampath Raj,
You should tell
people
them
who come and
that
ask
I
you
will be
tickets.
accused,
Yes,
I will be taken to jail if I ask for a free pass. That's under the Prevention of Corruption Act.
Why?
Because under the Prevention of Corruption, and let me tell you, because since you asked, under the Prevention of Corruption Act, you are a public servant. By abusing your position as a public servant, obtaining for yourself or for any other person any valuable thing or pecuniary advantage.
We're not taking bribe over here.
Well, it's
The word which you
under the
use is
Prevention of
wrong.
Corruption Act.
No, the word which you use is wrong over here.
Pecuniary advantage
Please take back
or
your
any
word. Please
valuable
take back
thing.
your word, please.
A valuable thing. You can't take a valuable thing
Please
free.
No, sir. Please take back your word. Which
Sir, you cannot take a valuable thing free.
It's not a bribe.
Sir, I am reading out from the law,
We are
sir.
asking for a pass, sir.
Sir, you-
we are
a
not
pass.
thieves or no.
According to the
sir.
Prevention of
please.
Corruption
Side
Act.
of the coin also.
No, whatever it is, Prevention of Corruption Act, I know that. But we are not corrupted. We are not asking
No,
for
I am asking
tickets.
you
We are
today,
not,
even you should not even take 1 rupee or something worth 1 rupee free. What wrong am I saying? Why is that too much to accept?
okay, yes.
Yes.
So that's what I'm saying. A pass is worth about 1,500 rupees.
We acknowledge it.
Pay 1,500 rupees. Don't take it free.
You have to listen
Don't
to both
take it
sides of the
free.
coin.
Yeah.
You have to listen to both sides of the coin.
But
We
pay
want one answer
1,500
from you.
rupees.
Where is this 8,000 tickets going? The KSCA should be transparent enough to tell you at least.
Fine, that's a good
And
point.
see,
We'll ask the
this Sampath Kumar
KSCA.
has been asking for almost for the third time. He's asking for the third time about this 8,000 passes.
Okay,
and people
I
not
took
responding
my
to
my
that.
my point is nobody.
Why do don't talk about it? Why do
My
don't talk about
my
it?
point is I'm asking you what
where
you
the
get.
passes go? People
Mo-
stand in the queue the whole night. They stand in the queue. At
Anil
one point
Kumble.
time you said that yes,
Anil Kumble should
tickets
answer
are
that.
over.
Once, yes, Mohandas Pai, Harish Biju coming to 2
Whatever it
minutes
is,
to
we have
wrap up
got
the
high-
debate.
Sir, we have got high respect and
Anab.
regards towards him. We got
Yes,
hats off to him. He has
Mr.
done
Pai.
a fantastic job.
All citizens of Bangalore will support
Mr.
a
Arnab,
move
can I
by
say
the
something?
corporation to pay our corporators well. Let them get 100,000, 1 lakh salary per month, so they do a very good job, and they will not say they're doing free public service because they're doing a good job. We want them to work for us. But same time,
thank you
let
so
them
much,
pass a resolution
Sir,
in the council
yes,
that any gift or anything given to them of more than 200 rupees will be disclosed and handed back to the corporation, as is done in America, as is done in the UK,
Good
and
point.
all civilized parts of the world.
Good
So they
point.
must pass a disclosure, they must pass a rule in the council. If they
Including
do that,
IPL
our
tickets.
respect for them will go up.
Including
we
IPL
have two wonderful
tickets.
legislators. I'm sure they should take the message back.
Including IPL ticket. Yes, last word. Harish Bijur, come
Yes.
on.
Absolutely.
Arnab,
Harish Bijur and then Mani.
Arnab, actually, there is a bigger issue. There is a
Arnab?
bigger issue, and the bigger issue is the fact that all these freebies, there are two sides to the dynamics. One is the giver side of the dynamics, the other is the taker side of the dynamics. I would be very proud and happy if the BCCI took a decision today on an all-India basis to say that on no cricket match would freebies be given out, except for a list which is actually announced and advertised publicly. And I think that's transparency.
Yeah.
And I think that degree of transparency needs to
Absolutely.
come in.
Absolutely. And journalists should also not take free passes. I'm completely for that.
Yes.
Even journalists should not take a single free pass. I'm completely for that. Yes, Mr. Reddy, coming to you last for a last word, Vani Ganapati. Yes, Mr. Reddy.
yeah, I just feel it's when
Yes,
it's
Mr.
just a misuse of the position by accepting free passes or by demanding for free passes. And if somebody were to come and ask them, can you get us a pass? On the contrary, they should say that please don't push us to do this kind of thing, because it's not justified to ask for a free pass just because of the position that we hold.
Good point. Mr. Reddy, also this you scratch my back, I scratch yours thing has to stop, right? It has to stop.
Hello, Mr. Arnab.
Yes, Mr. Reddy.
Mr. Arnab,
Yes, Mr. Reddy.
the present set of corporators most of them, they are ignorant of the act and ignorant of law. Now, that is the reason they have been behaving indifferently. First of all, they should not have demanded the IPL passes freely, because every corporator is capable of buying higher end tickets nowadays. So, but that is the case. There is no point in giving free IPL passes. Even the KSEA should stop immediately and say that point blank that there no more free passes. And the corporation has got an obligatory duty to perform for every citizen of Bangalore, for every organization.
True.
And they have been clearing garbage.
True.
For every function hall, the community halls,
Huge.
the hotels, the cinema halls, and the several organizations. Likewise, the KSCA also is one of the organizations which the corporation should perform.
If
and
Anil Kumble,
anything that goes against the basic duty amounts to criminal offence. And
if
I don't know what is
if Anil Kumble stands up to this, and if he says, if Anil Kumble stands up to this and says no free passes, I'm changing the culture, maybe a lot of people in Bangalore will actually back him.
All the members of the KSCA,
Yes, they will back
for that.
They will back him. Thank you, gentlemen.
And the Commissioner, Mr. Shankar Linga Gowda, should act immediately.
I want everyone to think about this.
The garbage will be cleared. Again we tell you that we never ask for free tickets.
Okay, Mr. Sampath Raj, Mr. V. Anand, Mohandas Pai, Vani Ganapati, Pradeep Kumar Reddy and Harish Bijur. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 tonight.